Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you use Cash App without a card. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Now if you launch the app and you don't have a card but you still have money on your Cash App account, you can tap right here on this QR scanner to basically scan to pay using the money in your Cash App account already. Now if you want to use another option, you can tap right here in the top right corner and then from here tap on linked banks. In this screen you will notice I have no cards or banks right here, so tap on link debit card. From here choose no card. Again, you want to use Cash App without a card, so choose that. From here tap on continue. You'll be taken to a screen where you choose the bank or institution you want to use. Let's use this for an example. You can now from here continue with the process, and that's basically how you do it. Very easy and straightforward. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.